Denial reason code, 26 or 27. No coverage on date of service or insurance denying claim as member is ineligible on date of service. Member's policy must be active on date of service, to file the claim to insurance. Verify member's eligibility with insurance, whether member is active on date of service or not. Check in website or call insurance. If policy is active, request for reprocess. Also check patient previous visits to find any other insurance information. If no active insurance policy on date of service, we will bill the patient. Note sample. Notes can be classified into 3 parts. Pre-analysis of account. Response or information received from payer. Your action, based on information received. Insurance claim denied as no coverage on date of service. Check eligibility in website found member is inactive on date of service. Or called insurance at so and so number spoke with representative. Said member is inactive on date of service. Policy effective and term dates. Claim denied date. Claim number. Call reference number. Hence remove insurance. And billed patient. Account is done. Thank you.